Okay, good morning everybody. I just wanted to show you a little bit of our practice in case you want to practice too. We're practicing on He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. We've practiced about 15 minutes a day for like 3 or 4 days, and it includes a D chord and an A7 chord. Excuse me. And we purchased a music stand from the music store for about $10 and got us a pick. And so I'm going to attempt to play He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. This is just practice, remember. And you strum on the first note of each measure, and if it's a rest, you strum there. And that's all because it's in 4/4 time, I assume that's the reason. But anyway, here goes. I'm going to do the best I can. I'm not using the music stand right now, so it's a little hard. I hope you can see the neck of the guitar. It starts with a D, and then you strum. You don't strum on the top E, but the rest of them you do. You don't do that. You don't play the intro. You play. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hand. I missed that. Hands. Okay, thanks for listening. I hope you practice this week. I'm looking forward to our next lesson. We go tomorrow night. Bye.